Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Adil Hussain with my YouTube channel Tech Vlogs. In this video, I will tell you about the Dissolve tool. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Do share with your friends and fellows. In this short video, we will learn about this an interesting tool and interesting Dissolve tool. Okay, this is the map of Pakistan. You can see that this is a map of Pakistan and the shape file, the city shape files of Pakistan, the city map of Pakistan. Okay, this is the Pakistan map, and I just want to dissolve these all the cities within the map. Okay, just go to the georeferencing tool and go to this dissolve button. After going to this dissolve button, just input the features. I just want to input features, like I want to input this park ADM. This I want to dissolve this. I saved this map with this name pack ADM3. Okay, I just want to dissolve this map to my province level. Just press on this name 3 button. Okay, and after that just go to the name 3 and just press OK button. Your dissolve tool is being working in the background, and you will see that your your data will be dissolved. Now you can check that your map from the cities will move towards the map of your provinces. Your entire cities, entire districts within one province has been dissolved, and there is no boundary between these cities and between these districts. Okay, your map from cities and districts move towards the provinces. Your map has been dissolved to in the province level. Okay, I think you have better understanding about this dissolve tool. You understand the basics of this dissolve tool. You have to do the practice of this tool for more and more information. Okay, for more not hands-on practice on this tool. Okay, this was the short brief about this dissolve tool. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.